In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix error code 600 when playing Roblox. So this error code usually means you've been banned from a specific game by its creator, not necessarily a platform-wide account suspension, so you can still play other games and other experiences. So the first thing I suggest is trying to get in contact with the developer of the game. To do this, you just need to click on the game that you're banned on. And then if you scroll down, sometimes in descriptions they leave credits, so you can try their social medias and message them through there. If you click on this bit of text here, and then click View Community, as you can see below the title of the game it says Buy, and this is the actual creator. If you click on this, you'll see his Roblox profile. You can add him, and hopefully they add you back, and then you'll be able to message him that way. This code could also be caused by a glitch, so if you press the Windows key and R, and then type in %temp% and press enter. Press the 3 dots, select all, and then put this in the bin. This will clear your cache. So you want to do the same on your internet browser. So open it up, press on the 3 dots, go to delete browsing data, make sure that cached images and files are selected, and the time frame should be just before the issue happened. Now press delete data. And now if you scroll down a little bit until you get to extensions, you want to make sure you don't have any ad blockers on, so you can either remove it or turn it off here. Okay, so if all else fails, what you need to do is reinstall the game. So we'll go into our start menu, go into settings, go into apps, installed apps, search Roblox, press the 3 dots, and uninstall this, and also uninstall Roblox Studio. Then you need to go on the internet and reinstall the game. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.